National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for Jefferson County, Saline County, Gage County, Lancaster County, Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Wilbur. Doppler radar shows this tornado moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Wilbur and Hallam. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes causing damage. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. If in a mobile home, evacuate to a substantial structure. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. A large tornado has been confirmed. If you are in the path of this destructive tornado, take cover immediately in a basement or other underground shelter, and get under something sturdy. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.